Hey, good morning everybody. This is what I'm talking about. Power. This is a little 347 with a full forge rotating assembly with some nice Borla stack injection. This thing is awesome. It's going to go into a kit car, this one. This got done making over 520 horsepower and torque is about 480. Man, that's some really kick-ass power for a little 347. And again, here at Performance Unlimited, each and every engine is custom built to order. So you know you're getting exactly what you want, whether it's valve covers, color of the engine, pulley kits, what have you. We'll set you up just the way you want it and 100% guaranteed. Peace. Enjoy the video. All right, Sergio, I got a little kick-ass 3847 on a dyno here with some Borla stack injection going into your Cobra Kit Car. Gonna fire it up and give you a run demo. You're gonna love it. Nice little chop at idle.